Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your username on Snapchat. Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but Snapchat actually allows you to change your username, but there are a few limits you need to know first. So make sure you watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. So first step, go ahead and open Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you log into the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page where you can manage your account. Now from here, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear icon to open your settings menu. This is where you'll find all the account options. Scroll down until you see the username section. Tap on it, and then you'll see the option that says Change Username. Tap on it. If you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once you tap on that, tap on Continue. So change your username in here. So as you can see, 2018 is not available. So I'm going to have to put in another one. You can also tap on Suggest a Username. Once done, tap on Next. So to confirm your username change, please enter your account password below. Now, before you continue, Snapchat will show you an important message. So you can only change your username once every 12 months. So you'll be able to change it again anytime soon. So take a few seconds to think of a username you actually want to keep. Then tap on Continue. Then after that, your username will be updated instantly. Now, quick tip, your friends will still recognize your account through your display name and Bitmoji. So don't worry about losing connections. Also, your old username might not be available again, so keep that in mind. And that's how you can change your Snapchat username. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching.